specified the number.
Oh, you've gone up 158. Okay.
Sounds me.
86.
86, not bad.
Well, I think the guy that works with me, Rob, he was going to come to the studio and say what we want to say back. So.
But yeah, we're doing this whole today.
My head is in his butt, which is really nice. I think we left training a bit last minute. We started maybe 2 weeks ago. We started by actually trying it, and it was much harder than we thought it would be.
Yeah, we did a hill session.
Yeah.
It was hard.
Yeah, we saw Tom Hiddleston. We were doing our hill session as well, which was quite fun. Yeah, we'll see how we go.
What was it for you?
Well, for me, just breathing, because actually it feels like you're being shaken, and just hold on till the end. You don't really know where you are in the race because you can't really see anything. I think it's very
you just had lots of bum views last year.
Yeah, I did. It's just
my side of things. The hardest part is going up. Coming down, I had a totally different engine, so it was sprinting all the way back down. Felt amazing. On the way up, it was just trying to keep going. And then immediately thinking I'd lost because there's so many fast people going off really quickly. And then imagine getting to the top and then feeling like battery acid and eventually taking over everybody because they'd all like lost stamina, whereas we're still going. So yeah, that hill really is a killer. And the hay bales, not so much. I'm almost just considering whether, for your safety, if they're going to flip or something, and always trying to lean forward so we don't end up tombstoning you, which, yeah, I'm really trying to think of everything that's safe for high. Just don't want to hurt you.
yeah, keep that helmet on.
I'm not actually sure I wasn't supposed to make it.
Okay guys, can I ask all carriers and wives to line up along the start line please? You turn around, come back down, and you turn left obviously at that corner marker, and this time I'm afraid the bucket will be thrown. But not the bucket. No. Spectators, do not throw the bucket. Just the water.
You know, trip anyone up. Are you ready? On your marks. 1, 2, 3.
Come on. Right, guys, well done.
Well done! Good running, well done! And turn round, well done. Nice one, mate.
She's up to the gate.
Hey! Champs again.
You good?
Yeah.
Come on, mate. Great lycra, great lycra.
2.
Say hi to Lorraine.
There we go. Good job, all right.
You're right.
Slightly lopsided.
That was brilliant. Don't listen to her. That was awesome.
Fantastic. Champions indeed. Well done.
I feel it's all down to Hattie. She was able to hold on. She's the strongest part of our partnership. Without her, I couldn't have even been in this race. So really, thanks to you. The course this year is different, so they have that right angle right at the start, which didn't have last year. That I think that led to me just having really, really tired legs, but I had you to encourage me
felt that right angle.
from behind. Keeping up the rear, that was really good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not that simple, is it?
No, you get put down, you're like, where am I? What happened? You can't really see what's going on in the race, so I'm just trusting him to, go as fast as he can. But yeah, it is taxing, let's put it that way.
The obligatory pot noodle because you're hot. Hot. And also, they are the only guys who had to mount using steps at the beginning, and it did take them an extra 2 minutes to do it. So good on you for turning up. Thank you.